qualitative research methods. So in order to discuss the qualitative research method, let's first briefly go through the qualitative research and its importance. So qualitative research, first of all, what is qualitative research? How we can define qualitative research? So qualitative research, it is defined as a method that focuses on obtaining the data through open-ended and conversational communication. And why qualitative research is important? It is used to understand the concepts, thoughts, experiences. Qualitative research is extracts non-numerically, and it is used to gather in-depth insights of the topics that are not well understood. So qualitative research, it is based on the disciplines of social science such as psychology, sociology, and anthropology. So after defining and going into the little bit detail of the importance of the qualitative research, now let's move towards the qualitative research methods. Qualitative research methods, why they are important? They are important because they help us to reveal the behavior and the perception of the target audience with reference to a specific particular research topic of our interest. So there are different types of qualitative research methods. For example, observational method, focus group method, ethnographic research, case study research method, etc. So let's discuss them one by one. First one is observational, qualitative observation. So it is the process of the research that uses the subjective methodologies to gather the systematic information. Qualitative observation is primarily used to equate the qualitative differences. It deals with the 5 major senses and their function, and it does not involve any sort of measurements or number, but instead it is based on the characteristics. So that was qualitative observation. So this is first type of the qualitative research method which we have discussed. So now let's move towards the second one, that is one-to-one interview. Conducting in-depth interview is one of the most common qualitative research method, and it provides a great opportunity to gather the precise form of the data, and that interviews can either be performed face-to-face or on the phone. Now, next, third one is the focus group research method. Focus group research method usually includes a limited number of the respondents ranging from the 6 to 10 within your target audience or the target market. And the main aim of this qualitative research method is to find the answers of what, why, and how questions of your research topic, and it can be done in the form of online surveys. And focus groups are useful because when it comes to the researching detailed research of your topic, and they are also important when it comes into the market research of the new products or testing any research concepts. So this was about the focus group research method. Next is the ethnographic research. It is also the most common. So it is the most in-depth observational method that allows us to study people in their naturally occurring environment. This method requires the researcher to adapt to the target audience environment, and which may be from any other organization or from any remote location. So ethnographic research aims to understand the culture, challenges, and the motivation. So this type of research method, it can range from few days to a few years. So next one is the case study research method, which is the fifth one. So case study research method is used in the areas of the education and the social sciences, and also in the natural sciences. It is one of the simplest way of the conducting research, as it involves a thorough understanding of the data collection methods and then getting an inference from that data. So these were all 5 qualitative research methods which you can use in your research and which can be helpful for you. So that was all about the qualitative research methods. Thank you so much.